Welcome back to Dyson Sphere Program. JC here, and look forwards, you... yes. We're going to continue on from where we left off. Starting to look into, at least localized logistics. What's the plan, anyway? I think I'm just going to have to hook that round so I get the most. But do I really need to produce tons and tons and tons of them? Not really. Okay. Even if I had that one there, for example, we'll put it there. And I could take that off of there and hark it around there. I'm going to need the thrusters anyway. So if I need more thrusters, there we go. I can put them there. The actual next production building. I'm going to snap it there. I'm going to see what kind of inputs we actually need for it. Looks like iron is the thing that needs the most. So the iron needs to be on the inside. Well, that's alright. I can just move that over. Continue that down to there. No. That. It's like, where is it going to output? Wow. It'll output just here. These produce logistic drones. Yep, it's being supplied with enough. There we go. Woohoo! Let's see now, if I want to produce... Ah yes, it's the planetary logistics now that needs to be made somewhere else. Right. I don't need to produce these particularly quickly, so I can just put a little storage crate next to it for now. I'm sure this will come back and bite me in the arse, but you know. Or I do my usual trick and just leave enough space to put another one in. Okay, so they take like... If I put him about here. That should be enough. Let's knock it all the way down to like 1 stack for now, and I'll expand it as necessary. Okay, so this produces, this needs like what? 2 per? Ah, they're at the same production rate, so I do need 2 of these to fully supply that. Well, I did take that into account. So, good job I took that into account, eh? Look at that. You are producing thrusters. Done. There you go. Fixed it. Are you able to produce enough? Yes. Yes, you are. You are actually able to produce enough, even with both of them pulling. Because you're working through a backlog. Yeah. Yep, there we go. It's fine. That system works. Yeah, we just load a load in. It'll be fine. Yep, there you go. It's now got a tiny buffer. It's the processors that it can't do with now. Wow. That's going to take forever. Excuse me while I just... Right, we may have run out of something a little bit more. Let's just dump a whole load of them onto there. That'll be enough. Right, what are we out of? We are out of silicon. Ah. This is why I need the interplanetary. Ah, damn it. Okay. Right, well, we'll be back in a moment. Welcome back. There we go. I went off and got some. Flew, got some silicon again. Figured out that I had to actually put in a second one of these. So, yeah, we're now overproducing, which is good. And we're just producing. Yeah. It'll take some balancing, but yeah, it's we'll get there eventually. But here we go. We now have thrusters. Got a full box of them as well. Not thrusters. My bad. No, that was. We have a full box of drones. These are the actual full-on drones. We just slap in there. Right. We were going to continue on to produce these auto-magically. These are going to have to be produced, well, kind of here. Because of the, well, lack of processors. Well, I just need to produce more processors. More processors means more of those. This is not going to be a foolproof solution until I can get this stuff flown in. Probably set up the first one of those like up here somewhere so we can actually just fly in the silicon, and I'm not entirely sure where my titanium is supposed to be. Oh, the titanium's in a completely different part of the base. I can local logistically over there. And see, that's the advantage of once you've got the local logistics. Hee. I was like, oh, is it the other side of the base? Ah, fly on over there. Fine. Be fine. I just gotta set it up. Because I need to find out the ideal place to put this. So, steel, currently here. Titanium, not here, but I can easily just dump down a chest for it and go grab some more. Processors, here. Particle traps, just over there. Because I spotted them. Could use that as a buffer of sorts and then take out from it. Follow this, then follow the steel. This is quite full. Or alternatively, I can just jump over there and join it. At this level. Alright. I really do hate these janky angles. There we go. Now I can get particle traps in there. Huzzah. Yes, and I'll use that as an inline buffer. Couldn't give a flying what's it. Okay, no, he's already at the higher level. it does seem to be working. It is a plan. There we go, right. Start dumping them out. There we go. Just a little side step there, and you're in. Right. So let's see how many more bits and pieces do we have to supply? Processors on site, particle traps are in. Steel in. It's just the titanium, which I said I was just going to drop a chest for the moment. Right, and that will give me steel. I mean, if I need to fit in more thrusters, I can actually put another one in there. There is just enough room to fit another, to squeeze another one in. Zigzag that perfectly fine. Right. Just build one, please. Thank you. Woo. There we go. Right. Just slap that down there for now. I just need to see what it needs and how much of what it needs. Buildings. Please produce that. Okay. Great. Particle traps are on the outside. Because they need the least. Oh. 20 seconds, okay. Build one of those. No way I'm going to be able to do a... unless I drag it all the way around this corner. Oof. Yep. Welcome to Janky. that's just spaghetti. Welcome to the spaghetti. Yes, embrace it. Right, you two feed into there. Next, we're gonna need the processors. Gonna need to fit some logistics because we're gonna need to split it. Oh, that'll do. Thank you. You go into there, and you come out. And you know, I said I was going to be able to fit another one in. Yeah, not anymore. Unless. No, it's on the logistics, you twit. Yeah. There is no buffer. Nah. It's fine. I can take those into my inventory. Just, yeah. It's there instead. We'll drop that right down to one stack. That full stack in there. I can make use of those processors elsewhere. There you go. Well, that's fixed that, but that now means I can take a feed off here. Feed that into there. Make a box. Place down said box. Just have as many processors as you need. Budget. Right, titanium. How's my fuel source doing? Right, I think it's time. At this long last. Good. I'm going to need to increase supply of this. Long last, we come over here and we have a look at this. Now this is currently where my titanium supply is. You need what, one per? Yeah. How many am I storing in here? 9. So like at most you need like 1, 2. That should be plenty. I do need to go and get some more titanium, but there we go, we're finally going to start using hydrogen fuel cells. And because it irked someone a very, very long time ago, well, where's my dump chest? Look for the large cluster over here, this way. To look for a large cluster of nastiness. Here we go. Somewhere in here. There he is. There's one dump chest. In there is the 3 starting cells. While I'm over there, screw it, I'm going to take that solar panel too. I'm going to have to head over to that planet, and I might as well dump it down to get at least some power. What am I going to do with this? With these 3 cells? Well, what I'm going to do... they're going to merge with... where is my production of this stuff? I fly off in random directions. Yeah, I'm just going to fly around in circles, I think. Ah, no. Here. 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 If it wasn't apparent, I navigate via landmarks, and if I can't find my landmarks, I get lost. There we go. They've just been merged in with all the others. Because I'm producing them there. Those were my emergency supplies. This is filling up, but we are going to need more of it soon because I'm going to be increasing the demand for this stuff. I must admit I have already flushed the tank twice, and yeah. Whoops. This is not a particularly brilliant system I've got at the moment, but it sort of works. Now then, now I've drained the titanium out of there for a bit, I need to dump some, and then I need to go grab some more. I'm probably going completely the wrong direction. Yeah, that's the particle traps. Follow the particle traps. Do the squirrely mess of doom, yes. Cool. Dump. There we go. With that, we will now actually be able to start making these things. And we can finish the episode. Like that. It's going to be glorious. Actually, I want you back one. I want to pull out of there, dump over to there. Only ever going to need 1 stack, unless they're like individuals or something. It's like if you ever needed a stack of those things, it'd be ridiculous. There you go, 1 power supply. Perfect. We now have planetary logistics. Yeah. It's a one-stop shop because you've got the planetary logistics and the drones for them, all in one shop. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, I've got to actually figure out where the hell I'm actually going to use that. This is going to churn through titanium like nobody's business. They do stack. They stack a little, but there we go. We've got them being made. We have stage 1 of logistics. Stage 2 is to stop me flying around the fucking solar system. But for that we'll need science. So I think next time it's probably going to be looking into making yellow science so that we can make the bigger tower. Well, we can make the reinforced thrusters. Oh. Reinforced thrusters just requires red science. Huh. Oink. We'll get that on the go then. That will also require this. And that's what I need to do. So we need to go into crystal production. Apparently. So that we can get them to, so we can do that and this. Because that requires processors, high strength titanium alloy, more titanium, lovely. Well, I'll be producing that over here. So yeah, looks like I'll be producing all of it in this location as well, because I've already got the titanium being supplied here. I've already got the processors being made here. I've already got the particle traps, and I'm already producing the normal logistics. So, this area here is going to get busy. It's a good job I've got a large body of water I can yeet into non-existence. So, on that note, thank you for watching. Until next time, this is JC.